Maruti Suzuki Omni minivan comes with new graphics and new rectangular headlamps. Omni has a boxy semblance and gets minimal styling elements, mostly in line with its outdated looks. It gets rectangular headlamps, black bumpers in front and rear, sliding doors, square-like wheel arches and small tires. Exterior features of Maruti Suzuki Omni includes thermoplastic bumpers in front and rear, mud flaps, outside rear view mirror and right, body graphics and clear lens headlamps. Inside, it gets reclining seats, adjustable front seat head restraints, sliding seat for driver, rear view mirror, floor carpet, steering lock, lockable glove compartment and seat belts in front and rear. The 796cc, 3-cylinder, 4-stroke engine is placed under the front seats and transmits drive to rear wheels, outputting 34 bhp at 5,000 revolutions per minute and 59 Nm at 2,500 revolutions per minute. The engine is a bit underpowered and is linked to a 4-speed manual transmission. Overall length of the vehicle is 3,370 mm, overall width is 1,410 mm and overall height is 1,640 mm. Wheelbase of the vehicle is 1,840 mm. Curb weight of the minivan is 800 kg. Minimum turning radius is 4.1 meter. Seating capacity of Maruti Omni is 8. Braking duties are handled by disc brakes at front and drum brakes at rear. Suspension duties are handled by McPherson Strut at front and leaf spring with shock absorbers at rear. Over the years, Omni has undergone various changes, although it still looks quite dated in terms of looks. Inside, there is comfortable space for 5 and an option for 8-seat layout as well. Maruti Suzuki Omni is essentially a basic people mover that comes in 4 variants including the 5-seat, 8-seat, cargo and ambulance trims. The cabin is available with 5 and 8-seat layout, although the luggage storage space is cramped in the 8-seat version due to the addition of third row. Dashboard gets a cup holder and has space for other utility items. Seats are covered with dual-tone upholstery and assist grips are provided in front and rear for hassle-free ingress and egress of the occupants. The petrol-powered minivan is claimed to return a AI-rated fuel economy of 16.8 km per liter. Ex-showroom price starts from 2,96,000 Indian rupee to 3,29,000 Indian rupee.